These 6 YouTube niches can make you more money than your job. Today, we're talking about YouTube channel niches that can actually turn into a full-time income. Let's dive in and make some bread. First up, we have health. Believe it or not, channels like Body Hub that use stock footage and voiceovers to create informative health content can be hugely successful. Next, how about investing and personal finance? Chris Invests is a great example, using animations to break down complex financial topics in a way that's easy to understand. Love to travel? Then a travel channel might be your calling. Channels like World According to Briggs or Scary Harry showcase stunning destinations and travel tips. TechWiz? Share your knowledge. Tech Gumbo uses screen recordings to create helpful tutorials on using different software programs. Feeling a bit spooky? Channels like Nuke's Top 5S create content about creepy and scary topics, often using fair use footage to keep things engaging. YouTubers themselves can be a great source of content. Sunny V2 focuses on YouTuber commentary, offering insights and analysis on other YouTube channels. Picking your niche. Niches like tech, travel, relationships, happiness, wealth, and health tend to perform well. They have a high demand for content and good ad revenue potential. So there you have it. 9 YouTube channel ideas that could potentially become your next big income source. Remember, success on YouTube takes time, dedication, and great content. But with the right niche and strategy, you can turn your passion into a profitable channel.